something that I have ever seen on the navigation system. A little ferry boat. Guys, we're getting ready to take a ferry. Oh my goodness, I am so nervous about this, guys. Cars don't belong around water.
I like this ferry.
You like this ferry? Ah. That water is looking really rough.
We can go see.
What are we gonna do, baby girl?
We can go see ferry.
We're gonna go on a ferry?
Yeah.
Focus. Are you excited to go on the ferry?
Yeah.
Yeah.
See that big
There's a
ferry?
giant crack.
Let's go see ferry.
And I'm parked right here. This does not make me feel good. So there's this side.
The ferry coming in.
Yep, that ferry's coming in. What is Lakeland doing? Is he being funny?
He's my brother.
Lakeland's your brother?
Yeah.
You're so sweet.
Hi.
Hi. You're not my brother.
You're not my brother.
Ah.
I'm going away boat.
We're going on the boat, yeah. What do you think about that?
We can get out.
We're gonna get out when we get on the boat, yes.
I don't think we can do that.
Yes, you can.
You sure?
Yeah.
Don't get out.
Yeah, we'll get out.
We get out.
Oh, the other cars are finally getting off. Means we'll be boarding soon. It is so much colder than it was supposed to be. 12:56.
We went on the ferry.
Yep, we're getting ready to get on the ferry.
We're on the ferry.
And I just really hope there's a bathroom on the ferry. Because I really need to go.
We need to go on the ferry.
I really need to go potty is what I really need to do.
We need to go on the ferry.
Do you see a bathroom? Do you see a bathroom? Do you see a bathroom? What do you think about that? You want Dana? Is that so cool? You want me to hold you? Okay. So we're waiting for the bathroom. But there's an inside cabin. Isn't that neat? Cars down there somewhere. Alright, we're headed back down. Ooh, I'm turning this off so I can hold on to her. I see part of the settlement over there, guys. You know what this chickie just told me? She says, I want to drive. And what did I tell you? You had to be a little bit bigger before you can drive. Don't beep. You'll scare the person in front of us. He'll go, oh, what? What just happened? Don't you dare do that. Don't you listen to Lakeland. Let's see, are we going to hit hard? It's been a really long time since I've been on a ferry. Now everybody can smell the fish right here. This is so weird. We're like in the water. I just turned the car back on and this back on, and it shows that we're in the water. It hasn't caught up with the fact that we're here now. So the navigation system said, leave the ferry, as I was leaving the ferry. So by the way, this is free. There is no cost for the Jamestown, Scotland ferry. You can see the fake old boats through the trees there.
Can we see Mickey?
Or the replica, we won't say fake, we'll say replica.
Can I see Mickey?
Can you see Mickey?
Yeah.
Oh, I wish we were going to see Mickey.
Huh?
But we're not.
We're not.
We're not going to see Mickey. All right. Welcome to Williamsburg, Jamestown, and Yorktown.
See the ferry.
We've stopped at Chick-fil-A so that baby girl can play in the slide. Are you going to slide in a minute?
What's inside?
Slide, yeah. She decided she wanted to go drive. She wants to play with that wheel.
Excuse me, I'm so sorry.
She's like, I don't know about that. She's still a little unsure about that.
There you go.
I don't know if you can see it. She's trying her best to figure out how to get to that next level, and she keeps trying to put a foot up, and she's like trying to get Lakeland's hand through the screen, and she just can't figure out how to get up that one last level. Here's your room. Is that what you said? So we come in and we're upstairs. I'll show you that in a second. So we have a kitchenette. You're gonna take your jacket off? Okay. And she's already taken her shoe off. So let's take a look. So we have washer and dryer, which is always nice. We're in Williamsburg, so appropriate artwork. That is the couch, yes. All right, so makeup mirror, which is nice. And then we enter into the hallway. Great place for luggage. And in to the bedroom. And wish I had more light for you. Mirror. Closet, safe back there. Even comes with a step stool. That's nice. So, alright, let's see our view. We have a wooded view. It's nice. Are you liking it?
Let's go get him.
Let's go get Lakeland. Small little TV, plenty of Chester drawers. Oh my goodness, let's go get him. There he is. There he is, pretending to be asleep. So, regular refrigerator. Comes with popcorn and hot chocolate. Wyndham rooms used to come with lemonade, but they hadn't been stocking them lately. Full size microwave, small stovetop, and of course everything you need. Silverware, all the extra utensils. Let's go catch him. Let's go catch him. All right. We need to go get the rest of our luggage. I forgot to show, is this a closet or yes? So your broom and ironing board, lots of wooden hangers. What do you think about this, baby girl? Is this good?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Let's get out of here.
I'm gonna sleep in the bed.
Yep, you're gonna sleep in here. Say Dana and baby girl are gonna sleep in here. Lakeland gets the fold out couch. Okay, she is enjoying making the circle. By the way, what I like about the Wyndham properties is once you stay at one, you're automatically connected to their Wi-Fi. So my phone, even though I've never stayed here before, my phone is already connected to their Wi-Fi, which is wonderful. Hey baby girl, here comes Lakeland. Here he comes. He's having a hard time. Why is there no elevator, he says. Hey, you're making noise. Hey, is that's the laptop in that? Let's not do that. Oh, baby girl, off the steps, baby. It's like 4:15 on a Friday, and this is how close. They don't even have trams running because you can park so close. Because nobody's being a doofus like us and coming out here in the rain. So get this, the main gates, ticket booths are closed because nobody's coming in. You have to go to these other things. So we're waiting to redeem our paper tickets or something else. She looks so adorable. So Lakeland's taking cover under the canopy while we wait at guest services. And she's all protected.
So cute.
Oh, that is so adorable. All you see is her feet. It's so cute. It's like we have the rainy, wet park to ourselves. This is awesome. Are you excited? Well, let's go. I see him up there. I see a big Elmo. Hey, look at Oscar right here. Come here. Come stand here. I'll get your picture. Do you see him in the trash can? Hey, baby girl, let's take a picture beside Oscar. He's not real. He's a plant. See? It's a plant. All right. She does not want to pose for a picture. She's too excited. Come on. Let's go over here. Oh my gosh, there's like hardly any kids here. Oh, baby girl, we're gonna ride the little boat. I wonder if I can get on it with her.
You want to get on it with her?
I think we can. Character, so we're gonna take it slow.
Birds are really good for a second.
Yeah. Oh, you do want to take a picture? Okay, so I'm done. Okay, then we'll take a picture with her. Okay, I'm gonna be on this side and you just stare at Bert.
You shoot it so good
Give him
though.
a high five. Yay! You got a high five. No, that's your That's your absolutely. Say bye, Bert. We got one smiley photo. All right. Yay. Thanks. What did you think about meeting Bert? You got to see Bert. I found a hidden Elmo. Does it count? Oh my gosh, I can imagine in the summertime that this area is wild and packed and crazy. Let's look at the little turtles, baby girl. Come here. What do you think? Are they cute? We'll stand right here. We'll stand right here. Who is this? Okay, can we stand right here and just watch a minute? Can you just wave and say hi? See? Okay, how about we just stand right here?
No, I don't want to. I'm going to go in there.
Okay, you will. You were so excited a second ago. Okay, here, Laycon, can you get one just like this? I'm going to stand right here, like this. No, you look at Laycon. See? Who is that? Oh, now you want Cookie Monster? After you wanted nothing to do with him in person? Elmo! Ooh, put Elmo back. Look over here. So cute. Oh, you gave her a kiss. Okay, don't drop her because we can't get her dirty because the floor is wet. You like the owl? Well, I don't know if we can say hello. The owl's talking though. You said, hey bird.
So stoked we are getting done. Bags packed to arrive.